Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 4K dual dash cams that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for advanced features, reliability, or affordability, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Kingslim D1 Pro Dual Dash Cam. This upgraded version offers impressive 4K front recording and 1080p cabin recording, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, Uber operators, and anyone who needs continuous surveillance inside their vehicle. With dual 170-degree wide-angle lenses, the D1 Pro captures the road ahead and the interior with sharp clarity. Its Starvis sensor and Hisilicon processor ensure excellent night vision performance, even in low-light conditions, while the f1.8 aperture and WDR technology enhance image quality further. The design is compact and discreet, allowing for easy installation on the windshield without obstructing your view. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS add convenience, letting you control settings, playback videos, and monitor routes directly from your smartphone via the Kingslim app. The GPS module is integrated within the dashcam, eliminating the need for extra wiring. While the D1 Pro offers essential features like loop recording and emergency video locking via its G sensor, it does require an additional hardware kit for 24-hour parking monitoring. It's a solid choice for those who need reliable performance without breaking the bank. However, its lack of a rear camera option and slightly lower customer ratings compared to others in this list hold it back. Pros: great for interior and front recording. Excellent night vision, compact design. Cons: no rear camera, requires hardware kit for parking mode. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Kingslim D6 4K Dual Dashcam. This versatile dashcam offers 4K front and 1080p cabin recording, ensuring high-resolution footage with wide-angle coverage. One standout feature is an optional 3-channel recording capability, which allows you to add a rear camera for a comprehensive view of your surroundings. With Type-C fast charging, the D6 is built for convenience and durability, making it a great fit for Uber drivers or those who spend long hours on the road. The D6 also includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to manage videos, monitor driving speed, and view your route on Google Maps directly through the Kingslim app. Its superior night vision technology combines software algorithms with infrared lights to capture clear footage inside the car, even in complete darkness, perfect for nighttime drives. Installation is straightforward, with both suction and adhesive mounting options provided for flexibility. While the D6 is packed with features, it requires a separate purchase for the rear camera and a hardwire kit for parking mode. It's an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize flexibility and customization, but may not meet the needs of those looking for an all-in-one solution. Pros: optional 3-channel recording, superior night vision, Type-C fast charging. Cons: rear camera sold separately. Parking mode requires additional hardware. At rank number 3, we have the ASDOM N01 Max UHD Dashcam. This model impresses with its 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities, capturing every detail with crystal clear resolution. The included 64GB SD card and loop recording feature ensure you'll never miss critical footage, even during long drives. Built-in Wi-Fi and the dedicated ASDOM app make video management a breeze, allowing you to view, download, and share recordings directly from your phone. One of the highlights of the M01 Max is its advanced safety features, including ADAS and a G sensor. The ADAS system provides alerts for potential hazards, adding an extra layer of protection, while the G sensor automatically locks footage during impacts. The dashcam also offers 2 parking modes: collision detection and time-lapse recording, ensuring your vehicle is monitored even when parked. Additionally, the IP68 waterproof rear camera is durable and reliable in all weather conditions. While the ASDOM M01 Max is packed with features, its slightly heavier build and requirement for a hardwire kit for parking mode might be a downside for some users. Nonetheless, It's a fantastic option for those looking for safety-focused features and robust performance. Pros: high-resolution recording, safety features like ADAS, free 64GB card included. Cons: requires hardwire kit for parking mode. Heavier build. Taking the number 2 spot is the SUV-Con dashcam front and rear. This budget-friendly option delivers impressive performance with its 4K front and 1080p rear recording, supported by wide-angle lenses that reduce blind spots. The SUV-Con dashcam is equipped with WDR technology, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. Its built-in Wi-Fi and the VDUR app offer seamless control and video management, including editing and sharing recordings directly to social media. The SUV-Con is straightforward to install, with plug-and-play functionality and a user-friendly interface. It comes with a 32GB SD card, saving you the extra expense of purchasing one separately. Essential features like loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, and 24-hour parking monitoring make this dashcam a reliable choice for everyday drivers. While the SUV-Con offers great value for its price, it does lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as GPS or enhanced night vision. Still, for $69.99, it's an excellent entry-level option that covers all the basics. Pros: affordable price, 4K recording, 32GB SD card included. Cons: no GPS, lacks advanced night vision. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Rove R2 to 4K dual dashcam, the undisputed champion of this lineup. It offers premium features like 4K 2160p front and 1080p rear recording with ultra-wide angles, delivering unparalleled clarity and coverage. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures exceptional night vision, capturing vivid details even in the darkest conditions. With its f1.5 front aperture and f1.8 rear aperture, this dashcam excels in low-light environments. The Rove R2 4K comes with built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi, allowing for ultra-fast downloads at up to 20 megabytes per second. The Rove app provides easy access to settings, video playback, and firmware updates over the air. The free 128GB SD card included is a generous addition, and the dashcam supports up to 1 terabyte of external storage for extended recording needs. Its robust 24-hour parking mode offers motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording, making it ideal for both daily use and long-term parking. While the Rove R2 4K is slightly bulkier than some competitors, its unbeatable feature set, premium build quality, and stellar performance make it worth every penny. Pros: exceptional night vision, ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, generous storage options. Cons: slightly larger design, premium price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the best 4K dual dashcam for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.